My name is Stephen Davis and I own Sooters Photography, and we have many different aspects of photography here. We do canvassing, photo refinishing, retouching, restorations, passport photos. Well, I've always been interested in photography, and I love the old photographs, 1900s, 1950s, 30s. We restore a lot of them for people. It makes them happy. Feels good, it's creative, and we just like to help and please people. We have this one customer come in and they were going through their attic and they ended up with tin plates. They're negatives from 1890. And they asked if we can actually make a picture from them, so we did. We restored them, not all of them, some were really damaged, but we made pictures from their tin plate negatives. And they were so thrilled, they couldn't believe that somebody could actually do it. And we do a lot of stuff like that. Some of the challenges we had to get the business going was we took over the business in the middle of a recession, and the mall was being torn down and renovated, and typical advertising wasn't happening. So I got in touch with BreezeMax. Jim is a fantastic sales rep, and I just love the guy. And since I've gotten in contact with him, he's put me in a better position. I've had my business increase at least, I'd have to say at least 150%. I tried other medias that they promised things that they didn't deliver. And if somebody was thinking about using BreezeMaxWeb, I would definitely say go ahead and do it. It's a great company. They stick to what they say. They promise you something, they deliver. Since joining with BreezeMaxWeb, my traffic has increased, which made me increase my products. And some of my products were the t-shirts have now increased with the customers and more satisfaction. And BreezeMaxWeb, I have to say, made my business.